So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Haranba share. So today we have seen some correction in Haranba. If you see the current market price is around 715 and time is around 1020. So it is almost 6% down. So what are the major reasons and everything? So that we'll find out. We'll do the volume analysis as well. So previously when we have discussed about Haranba share, so we have seen that what are the basic fundamentals, and we have found out that it is present at little over valuations. So people who have entered at high levels, let's say 790, 785, so they may face some losses, but you need to have some patience as well, because market also is in little correction. So today not only Nifty, apart from bank Nifty and major stocks have also shown the correction. So obviously the stocks which are in overvalued region, so they will also start correcting. So don't try to buy anything right now. So when to buy and all, I clearly told you. So if the 750 rupees level, when it breaks, I told definitely you should not enter, because that is the support region. You need to take that as the stop loss if you are doing any fresh entry. So for fresh entry only, you need to watch the 750 rupees as the support. And people have already invested near 780 or 790. So we'll discuss where you can try to average or what can be the next strategy. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first let us see why the stocks have shown correction, why the index is going down. So everything we should have a detailed knowledge. So major reasons, if we see factors to play, inflation fear, so that is one thing. Second one, lockdowns in different cities, we have seen partial lockdowns are also present. And after that you can see US bond yields spike, so that also we have discussed in previous videos. So apart from that, we can also say that profit booking. So we know that the bull run rally was going since so many days as well as weeks. So after that, obviously they will also exit majorly FIIs. So when they start exiting, so we may also see the correction. So that is one of the major reason why today also we have seen the fall in major stocks. Okay, so make sure you join the Telegram group as well. So when to entry and when to exit in major stocks like in UCO Bank also we have discussed yesterday. So today also it has given some very good movement. So try to remain updated. So not only in Telegram, you can message me in Instagram as well. So in Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So in there, in that also you can message and clarify doubts, or if you want any separate video analysis as well, you can message me. So first, if you see the volume analysis, so on 12th March 2021, so that is last week, if you see, there was a spike in combined volume. So a little bit of profit booking was already being happening. So I told you many times, so whenever any IPO comes, when the threshold comes, so when you feel that you want to exit with good profit, try to book the profit. So don't think that it will go up again, it will give returns. So forget about that. So think about how much I can get. So that is very important. So many people already they got some good gains, but in excess greed, that may drain out all your profit. So don't have excess greed. So when you're getting any IPO allotment, so trade accordingly. See the future, whether it is in overvalued region or undervalued. If undervalued, then hold it. In overvalued region, if it is present, try to exit. And again, when it shows correction, if you are willing to add, that time you can add those particular stocks. Okay, in Haranba, if you see the previous trading volumes and as well as delivery quantity, so you can see the previous day's delivery percentage is roughly around, first was 21, again 22, after that 39. So we can see that deliveries are increasing, but you can see there was a price in fall. So little profit booking. So first two major reasons. First one is profit booking. Second, due to little overvalued region, some people are exiting, and third one is market as well. So market also is in correction. So market, when it corrects, we see stocks which are in overvalued region, so they only start correcting. So that is the reason. So nothing apart from that, nothing to panic, especially in this. Future wise, we have seen very good future is present. Okay, so only when you become into panic situation, so that time only you exit with loss. So don't do any panic selling, especially not only in this stock. So many stocks will show correction, but you need to hold very patiently and you need to average at best possible levels. So that is what I told, combined volume you can see increasing, so delivery is also increasing. So little bit of accumulation is there, but due to overvalued region, so some profit booking by big players is being done. Okay, so that is one important thing. So now we'll go to technical charts. We'll see what are the support. Basically it has given a breakdown from the support, so what can be the next level that we can watch, so we'll discuss that. Okay, so we're back onto the 1-day chart. So currently you can see it is trading near 716.90 rupees level, and it is down almost 5.89%. So if you see, the previous support that we were discussing was near 750. So 750 was the previous support, from where it has come down with increase. You can see little bit of increase in, you can see candle formation also. You can see some big candle has been formed. So ultimately because of market condition as well, so that is one of the reason. So other reason, we know profit booking is happening, so that's why we have seen that big candle, and it has broke the support of 750. Okay, so always when you trade, if you trade with manual stop loss, that is well and good. Or if you already put a stop loss, then definitely you will have some loss, but you need to trade cautiously. That is also very important. Okay, now next level or next support that we can watch would be near 710. After that it would be 700. So these are the two major supports. So 710 is ultimately the 52-week low. After that 700 is again a whole number, which is definitely worth watching. So if you are trying to average, or if you want to invest, try to look into those particular levels. Okay, so when we previously discussed, that time it has formed the doji candle. So doji is obviously uncertainty, so where buyers and sellers become equal. So that time the next day is going to be very crucial. So after that we have seen some little correction, but many thought it would be respecting the support of 750, but that today it was not satisfied. So let's see what happens. So 750 below is little bearish, so that is we can say for mid to long, but if it respects that 750, then only we can see further momentum will happen. So closing above 750 is very important. So before that, the supports to watch out are 710 as well as 700. So further, if you have any doubts regarding this particular stock, you can message me, as well as you can message me on Instagram as well. So until then, take care. Bye bye.